Hello world, this is Shiraj. Welcome to this channel. This is the next video in the playlist of Moodle LMS training for students. We discussed how we can enroll into the course in the last video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can access the course. So let's get started. I'm going to open my web browser. I already logged in here, and here we can see our courses, and I can see my course title, Information and Communication Technology. We'll click here to open the course. Here we have the navigation bar. Here we have home. From home we came my courses. From my courses now we are in ISM 11013 IZT. In this course page you can access resources and activities. Resources may be books, files, folders, page, audio, video and website link. Activities may be assignment, quiz, meeting, discussion, something like that. Here you can see the sections. Here we have lecture week 1, lecture week 2 and lecture week 3. So these are the sections of this course page. Under each section we have resources. The first resource we have, this is the icon for the book. Here we can click on this link or the title to open the book. Then you can see the book. On the right side you can see the table of contents. Here you can see the table of contents, and you can click here and you can navigate the informations, and here you can click the contents and you can see the contents here. Like that you can navigate, and also you can see the gear icon here. If I click on this gear icon, I can see two commands. The first one is print book, the next one is print this chapter. If you want to print this book, you can click on this print book and the dialog box will be appeared, and you can see the full contents of this book. And if you want to print this book, you can click on this print book and the book will be printed. Here I don't want to print this book, so I'm going to click on this close button to close this dialog box. Here we have the navigation bar again. I'm going to click on this ISM 11013 IZT to go back to my course page. The next resource is, here we have the icon for the PDF file, and if you want to download this PDF file, you can click here and you can right click here and you can click on this save link as. Then the save as dialog box will be appeared, and you can choose the folders or the location, and you can give the file name. Then you can click on this save button to save this PDF file. The next one is PowerPoint file. You can right click and you can give save link as if you want to save this file. Here we have another resource, folder. The title of this folder is practice folder, and these are the files comes under this folder. And if you want to download this folder, you can click on this button, download folder. Then the folder will be downloaded and you can open and you can use this resource. The next resource is video. This video will be played on the course page itself. The title of this video is given here. Then if you want to play this video, you can click on this play button and the video will be played. Then we'll click on the pause button to pause this video. Then the next resource is audio file. Like this video, you can play this audio, then you can listen this audio file. Here the caption is given, listen to this file and practice mail merge. Then you can click on this play button, then you can listen to this audio lecture, then you can practice. Hello students, in the last audio we discussed track changes. In this audio we are going to discuss mail merge. That's fine. The next one is URL. This is kind of a link. Then you can open this link. Then you can access the web page. Here I'm going to right click. Then open this particular page in a new tab. And you can access the web page. That's fine. I'm going to close here. And let's go down. The next resource is page. Here the title of this page is past paper question. You can click here to access this page. Then you can access the resources. Here the past paper question. Then you can go through all the questions and you can study. Here we have the navigation bar. I'm going to click here to go back to my course page. On the right side you can see blocks. Here we have upcoming events, assignment 1, and the due date is given. We will discuss how we can submit an assignment in our next video. That's all I want to discuss in this video. Thank you very much students. We'll meet in the next video.